Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Let's start our Deepavali celebrations with a traditional sweet and a personal favorite too, that is Kasi Halwa. So this halwa, also known as Pushtika Halwa, is made from this white pumpkin or ashgourd. You can take whatever quantity you require. Just cut it into pieces and then remove the seeds completely and peel the skin like this. See, after peeling the skin and removing the seeds, use a large size grater and grate it like this. See, we have grated the ashgourd. Ashgourd naturally has a lot of water in it. Now to see the quantity of sugar, you have to measure the ashgourd. Whichever cup you take to measure, it doesn't matter which one you use the same cup both for the ashgourd as well as the sugar. So here I have 3 cups of ashgourd. I got 3 cups of grated ashgourd. So I am going to show you an easy and quick way of doing this. Take a pressure pan and I am just adding a tablespoon of ghee to it. Now I add in a tablespoon of chopped cashew nuts to it. You can add whatever nuts you have. You can add badam also if you like. When they come to a lovely golden brown color, drain them out from the ghee and keep it aside. Add the grated ashgourd to the same pan. Just stir it for about 2 or 3 minutes. Add it along with the water because the water only will be used for cooking the ashgourd. See, this water is sufficient for this ashgourd to get cooked. Cover the pressure cooker and on a medium flame we'll cook it for 1 whistle. Now let's open this and see. See, the pumpkin or the ashgourd has cooked well. Now again I have switched on the gas and I have measured out sugar for 3 cups of grated ashgourd. So we'll add in this sugar. I added 1.5 cup sugar. See, we did not add any extra water. All the water is only what was there in the pumpkin itself. And now with the addition of sugar, it will give out more water. Now just allow it to cook till the water evaporates and this becomes thick. See, I have been cooking this for about 15 minutes now till most of the water has been absorbed. Next, I am adding in some saffron soaked in water. It will give a lovely color. We are not adding any other food color to this. This will give color as well as flavor. And finally, just add in about another tablespoon of ghee and mix it all well together till you get a lovely glossy appearance and it should start leaving the sides like this. Don't wait till it becomes totally dry because then on cooling it will harden. So when it is like this, you can switch this off. Can you see the shiny glossy appearance and the lovely texture? I just love this color, texture. Now at this stage, we'll transfer it into a serving bowl. Finally, top it with these roasted cashew nuts which we had reserved and kept. I am not adding any cardamom powder because I just like it with the flavor of the saffron. And see, and we have just used 2 spoons of ghee, one at the beginning to fry the nuts and 1 spoon right at the end. And see this lovely golden Kasi Halwa. An all-time favorite. This is served in weddings too. A lovely traditional sweet, simple and easy to make. For beginners and those who find it difficult to make sweets and who have some problem with seeing the sugar syrup and things like that, This Kasi Halwa is something which is very simple and easy to make. You cannot go wrong with it. Do the measurements exactly as I have given and you will have a lovely product. On cooling, of course, it will thicken little more. That is why I told you to take out when it was a little flowing consistency itself. When it has cooled down very well, then enjoy it over a week. Next, we'll make a traditional savory, that is Ribbon Pakoda. For this, I have taken 2 cups of gram flour or besan and 1 cup of rice flour. To this, add salt. This is Kashmiri chilli powder. Next, I must add hing. We can use hing powder, or today I have used these hing crystals or hing cubes which are available like this. They add an awesome flavor. You just have to keep it in water for about 10 minutes. It will get dissolved and we can use this to mix the dough. So first mix all the dry ingredients well together. Now I am adding this hing water to it. Next, we'll add about a teaspoon of ghee and mix it well into the flour. Next, add water little at a time and make it into a soft dough. I have used 1 cup and then say about 1/4 cup for this quantity of flour. This is the plate which we are going to use, the one with 2 slits. Take out a portion of dough like this. I kept some oil for heating. When it is hot, just reduce the flame to medium and then we can start squeezing out the dough from the mold. Wait for the bubbles to subside a little bit and then we can flip it over and cook. Now just flip this over. Wait till the bubbling comes down and then we can gently remove it. Drain it out from the oil. Likewise, make with the remaining dough also. This is also done now. I wanted to give you a surprise. உங்களுக்கு ரிப்பன் தானே ரொம்ப ஃபேவரட் தெரியும், நல்லா ரிப்பனை பண்ணேன். Whenever we make any bhakshanam, that is the Diwali savories, I make sure that ribbon pakoda is definitely on the list. This takes me back in memory more than 40 years. See, the first year of marriage, uncle was posted in Nigeria, and being a young novice with great difficulty looking at different recipe books, I very proudly made mullu tengal, a kind of chakli from Tamil Nadu. And then when he came from home office, I thought I'll surprise him and give it to him. He ate it, but somehow I didn't feel that much of satisfaction on his face. Only later on I came to know that mullu tengal is the last on his preference list and topmost is ribbon. So nowadays I make sure that I make ribbon pakoda for him, because if I give him ribbon pakoda, a glass of filter coffee, and he has his favorite newspaper in his hand, his day is made. See, the ribbon pakodas are all done and ready, and when it cools down, you can store it in any steel container and use it for over a week to 10 days. One small tip, I made a small quantity now, so we made the dough all together. But if you are making a large quantity, then don't mix all the dough at one time. Make it in batches. Then only you will get this lovely golden color. Otherwise, it will become a darker color if you make the dough beforehand and keep. So this combo of Kasi Halwa and Ribbon Pakoda, very tasty yet very easy and simple to make, especially for those who don't have much time or for beginners too. Definitely try it out and give me your feedback. Thank you for watching the video. We'll meet again in another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.